Well, on this adventure in Japan, operators decided to sink their Humvee in the mud. Oh, got her full of water. So I get to pull all the glow plugs out, take the turbo off, try and get this thing running again. This is how deep they got it. Covered in mud. I gotta take these batteries out, clean it all out in there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Got the turbo all taken apart and put back together. Glow plugs out. Try cranking it over.
Alright.
If any water comes out. No, not much water came out.
Not that much.
Alright, let's see how much water's in here.
Put it together a little collage. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
There comes some oil. Oh, starting to mix. It didn't make a milkshake, so that's good. Still got a little bit of water in there. Now it's about straight oil. Nice. And the oil filter. Sorry about the camera angle. Nice. Solid. Alright, got the oil drained and fresh oil put in there. Let's see if she cranks. Gotta wait for the wait light. She ain't very happy. Not very happy at all. Coming out of there. That's wild. Yeah, it sounds a lot better now. Let's see another day. All right, the second adventure. Got this big girl. Starter went out on it. I'll get on here and show you guys what's going on. Oh. So, look at that little joint there. You can move this up and down. I don't know if you guys can see it, but basically, it broke there, right at that joint. And basically, that's one of your main grounds for these things. So it won't start, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to wad a little bead there and hopefully get it back started again. All right, we had a little change of plans. Ended up dropping the starter down. Good thing we didn't try welding it because it's got an interchangeable flange here. It looks like these Allen head bolts are just loose, so tighten them up. Should bring it back together, hitch it back together, and be all right. But we'll see when we get it back together. I don't know if you guys can hear from the wind, but we got some visitors coming to help us work on the trucks. Okay. All right, we got the batteries back hooked up. Starter's back up. Back in there, a pain to get to. Let's see if she'll crank up. Well, I hear electricals. Hit it. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Interesting. Huh. Might actually need a starter. When in doubt, hammer it out. You ready, Woodruff?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. Damn. That sucks. Well, the hammer trick didn't work. But we found a couple batteries that had a couple dead cells in it, changed them out. Now we got 12 and it should go up to 24, just shy of 24, which is enough to turn it over, but listen to it. Sounds horrible. My guess is that Bendix probably is not engaging all the way. We checked voltage and all that, and it's getting proper voltage, but the Bendix is all rusted up, so I didn't feel like dropping that down again and taking it apart and cleaning it, because it's a heavy ass starter and it's a pain in the ass to get out. So we'll wait for the starter to come in and we'll get back to the States, put it in. But oh well, can't fix them all.